I'm Damon Rajushko. I'm the Financial Systems Manager at Flagstar Bank, based out of Troy, Michigan. Flagstar Bank is a full-service mortgage company. We do everything from writing mortgages to securitizing mortgages. We also have a community bank that is operating nationwide and provides our customers with a wonderful level of service. We had a legacy on-prem EPM installation. It had been in place for about 10 years, and it wasn't able to grow with us anymore. The fundamental thing we sought out was a partner that was willing to train us so that we could be the masters of our own fate. Inspirage really walked us through why that cloud was the right approach. From better performance to ease of use, all the functionality in the cloud, Inspirage made it clear that we could take that approach and have great success. We had a need to get our planning application up and running quickly, so we focused solely on that. Inspirage assisted us with that in what I feel is a record time. We did it in about 6 months in the middle of a pandemic, so it was all remote, and Inspirage really knocked it out of the park. And they really made us feel comfortable that we could do this remotely, that everyone can get to the cloud remotely. They're no different. They can go in and help us do what we need to do in the cloud. And Inspirage really made us comfortable that, we were going to succeed in this project. So one of our biggest issues with our on-prem system was the dimensionality in our cubes. It had a lot of unique intersections, which made data retrieval difficult. With Inspirage, we targeted cleaning that up and making it simple. And the simplicity provided us with more efficiency. It provided us with easier end user access to the data and really enabled our users to perform better. Inspirage was a great partner. They really kept us to the project timeline and helped us realize all of our goals in a timely fashion. We really had a clear definition of what we were going to be responsible at Flagstar and what Inspirage was going to be responsible for. Surprisingly, this is the first time I've ever been on a project where we didn't double the budget while we were going through the process. So it was great. They cross-trained us how to use the application so that we were no longer dealing with a black box that nobody understood. And they enabled us to dig into the planning system and really see how everything's working. And we can update the scripts on our own now because they trained us. We can deploy forms and do all the things that we used to bring consultants in to do for us. Inspirage enabled us to do that ourselves. We are looking to move into the future rapidly with the best tools available. And Inspirage really helped us draw out that roadmap so we could go forward.